Alright, I'm making a video on how to get ringtones using this website. It's really easy. You don't need to make it. It's real fast. What you want to do is type in audico.net and this is where I get all my ringtones from my iPhone. Loading. Right here. Once you're here, it will show this and alright. So what you want to do is search a ringtone that you would want. Alright, I'm gonna search How to Love by Lil Wayne. How to Love. And then you just want to click on anything right here. Download ringtone. Right, if you want to hear it, just play it first. Right, if you don't want that, you can go variations and check the section that you would like. Right, next is so you want that, right? Then you want to pick show in my ringtones. Then you want to download it. Then save as. Make sure you have a ringtone folder so you know where it's going. Ringtones there. Save. And then since I downloaded already, then you want to go to ringtones. Click on the one you downloaded, and it should play in your iTunes account, your iTunes library. Then next, you just want to sync it. I'll show you it's playing for my ringtones. As you can see, it's playing from my library ringtones. Right, and then you just want to sync it. You're done. Easy as that. Thanks for watching. If I helped, please remember to like it if I helped you.